Shiva, what's that?
Noodles.
Noodles. Very good. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Wow, very good. Okay, next one. What's the cover? Okay. What's this? What's this?
Pizza.
Pizza. What color do you like? Which color you will choose? What's that? Pink.
Pink.
Okay. Pizza. You like pizza? Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Later, Mommy will help you to get that one. Wow, very good. You only color this one. Then you change this one the color. You change another color, okay?
Okay.
Oh, look at the book. Very good. So nice. Smile.